finding their zen against a beautiful backdrop.
For men to get together, not just to share what's present for them, but to learn some mindfulness practices that will allow them to improve the quality of their lives.
But inner peace comes at a price. Christian Trujillo has suspended his free Sunrise men's gatherings after being told by Sunshine Coast Council he'd need a permit, costing about $4,000 a year.
Whether it's free, whether it's by donation, it's an organised gathering.
The council is also drawing a line in the sand for Sarah Rose Grouf's free group, which she started to help others after the loss of her newborn daughter.
Sometimes we think that we have lost ourselves, but we haven't. Our inner power's in us. So just helping people see that.
Sand space is at a premium in Melbourne too. Yoga instructor Elisa Herbert was told by her council she'd need to pay $400 each time she held a free session at St Kilda. Legal experts say councils have a duty of care.
That provides them with some power to actually exert some controls over risks, so they can then manage what happens on their land.
But on the Gold Coast, while permits are required for groups of more than 50 people, organisers don't have to pay.
I think it's very beneficial for us. Being free makes a big difference.
Sunshine Coast Council says it encourages groups to meet for health and wellness activities, and not-for-profits are exempt from permit fees. But these groups don't fall under that category.
Some of those activities work really well together, but there's other times where we need to create space between those activities so the community can still use the park for what it's there for.
I feel like they could really get behind us and back this. It's for the mental well-being of our community.
Jessica Ross, ABC News, Sunshine Coast.